After years of political scandal and then personal scandal in the Attorney General's office, I stepped up to Topeka and took that office on, and we have worked extremely hard over the last 3 years. I worked to build a team of men and women, agents, lawyers, investigators. We hired the best we could without any regard to political profession or whether they worked for the right senator or if they had the qualifications, if they had the experience, we put them to work. And I have a 3-year record of real results, impressive results. I have worked to protect Kansas kids and families. We saw a problem as I did my work as Attorney General that there are people out there on the internet looking to get your kids, looking to trade child pornography, and we went after them. We cracked down on it and set up for the first time in the Attorney General's office Operation Child Shield. This is an investigative effort where we have scoured the state. We found people trading child pornography, people responding to ads to have sex with underage kids, and we've taken them down. We've convicted 5 child pornographers. We got charges in 5 more cases and over 20 ongoing investigations, and the operation continues. I have worked in this tough economy to help Kansans that have been the target of consumer scams. We have helped protect vulnerable seniors. This past year, when we have a lawyer as Attorney General, we have set an all-time record for consumer protection recoveries. The last time we had a career politician in the office, Phil Klein, consumer complaints went unaddressed and less than $1 million was recovered for Kansans who'd been ripped off. This past year, we recovered $15.6 million in consumer protection. Medicaid fraud. This is your tax dollars being stolen by scam artists around the state. Back when we had a career politician in the office, less than $1 million. Medicaid fraud was unchecked. This past year, I moved it from less than $1 million to almost $22 million. What this election is about is experience. Who has the experience to lead the Attorney General's office and keep Kansas safe? I came out of law school. I worked for a federal judge in court listening to appellate arguments. I practiced law. I handled jury trials in Kansas and Missouri. I handled court cases in state and federal court, and then I became a district court judge. I oversaw criminal dockets. I signed search warrants. I reviewed arrest warrants for probable cause. I handled preliminary hearings. I sentenced defendants and sent them to prison. And then as Attorney General, I handled murder cases, 2 murder cases in the last 1.5 years across the state. This is the kind of experience the Attorney General's office needs, and it is the kind of experience that my opponent, Senator Schmitt, doesn't have.